Hello, in today's video, we will be learning about balisong tricks. To get started, you must have a balisong. Please do not try, if you are a beginner, please do not try a sharp one. Please just buy a comb like this. Comb can buy metal. Wood can be also buy. So maybe my one is about like $10. You can buy about like maybe $8 or $9 or something like that. Okay, so now to get started, you have to today we will be learning about the standards open and the simple close. Okay, so first, get ready your position. This is your position. This is your hand, and put it on your balisong like this. Do not put it this way, put it this way, okay? This might annoy you, so please take this out sometimes. So, first you want to do is let go of the balisong. Let go of the balisong, okay? I'll give you a few seconds to try that. Okay, it should be easy, so I'll not repeat it. So basically you have to open it, then when it hits here, please do not let it hit here. When it almost comes here, let go of your tongue over here and let it fall down. Then you catch it, okay? I'll give you a few seconds to try that. Still not got it? Okay. First, you let go. Okay? Then, when you let go, in mid-air, you must let go of your thumb here, and then you catch it like this. Okay? I'll let you try. Okay, finally you got it. Okay? So, next one we'll be learning is the standard open. To this, it's kind of easy and maybe like I don't know. So it's up to you if it's hard or not. So first you have to open it. You must do like I did earlier, standard grip. You do like this, do like this, do like this. Okay. So basically, you want to do is flip it like this. Okay? Here comes the interesting part. You have to flip it here. So I did flip it. Then you throw it back. Then you catch it like that. Okay? I'll give you a few minutes to try. And I'll give you a few seconds to try. Still don't get it? Okay. First, open it, flip it, and throw it back. Open like this. Yeah. Around, back, open. Around, back, close. Around, back, open. Around, back, close. Thank you guys for. Have you figured it out now? Well done! I've seen you gone good. So, thank you for listening to me all, guys. I know this is my first video, but thank you for seeing my video. I hope this gets a lot of views, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace. Like and subscribe also. Peace.